Hey, what's good everyone? Local Iceman here. It's been about 4 or 5 months since I replaced the traditional filter basket with this wash water mesh bag here. Kind of curious to see how it did over the last few months. Looks kind of dirty in there. Last time I checked it last week, I thought maybe it's time to check it, clean it out, whatever I have to do. I did order me another separate bag and filter bag. These are about $7 each. I can't remember if Don said that you could clean them. I think you could clean this bag here, but this inner bag here, like this one, you can't really clean. So let's go ahead and pull the hose off here, see how it looks. I already unloosened the hose clamp here. I'll include you guys in this. Come on, there we go. Somebody hooked on something there. Let me lay these things out so you can see. So this bag right here, it captured quite a bit. It's a lot of stuff in there. I should have a rubber glove on. Let's see what kind of pulled out. Alright, lovely. This bag here seems really heavy and dirty. Look at that. So the weight is just from this bag being wet, I guess. But look inside there, it's pretty dirty. Put my light on here. I don't know if that's gonna matter too much. So I'd say this thing captures quite a bit of debris. I don't call it debris, but just call it crap off the ice that your wash water basket would not get. So I think what I'm gonna do here is, I think this one I could wash out and reuse right here. But this one right here seems, I don't know, man. I bet I could wash it out, turn it inside out and rinse it out a little bit, but man, is that worth it? $7. Since I have other ones in stock, I'm gonna throw the new ones in there and attempt to wash things out. Perhaps if I let this thing dry out and give it the old wash water basket routine scrub, maybe the stuff will come off easier once it's dry, because that stuff is probably sticky in there. I don't know if I want to touch it with my hands. I don't think that's coming off. All right, there you have it. There's the results of the filter bag right here. I think it captures more stuff than the traditional basket. This basket right here, there's this inner bag right here, caught all this stuff right here, and this outside bag right here. I think this captures more stuff and debris than the traditional basket would have. I think this right here is probably pretty comparable to the basket, but having this right here, this captures everything that would normally slip through the basket. So I think it does a better job of clearing the wash water, cleaning it up, as well as the ice, because the wash water system is cleaning the ice, the surface of the ice up. So if they say cleaner water, cleaner ice equals better ice, I would say that this probably definitely makes better ice based on those principles. I can't go out there and say, oh, it's you know, faster, better, freezes quicker. I don't really have a way to measure that, to quantify that, so I don't really want to, you know, say it makes better ice. But based on those principles, I'd say this would help you make better ice. So I think it's definitely worth it. You're probably gonna have to replace these things 3 or 4 times a year. This bag right here, you could wash out, like you can see. This bag right here, I don't see that being cleaned very easily. All right, that's all I have for you guys today. Thanks for watching. As always, I hope you learned something. And like the local Iceman says, stay cool.